Did you know that nursing informatics can trace its beginnings back to Florence Nightingale and her work in the late 1850s? While she has been more popularly known as the Lady with the Lamp, one of her other groundbreaking contributions is the Nightingale Rose diagram. Long before the advent of powerful electronic presentation tools that are so commonplace today, she came up with a way to communicate her ideas visually 163 years ago. Florence Nightingale partnered with statistician William Farr to develop a remarkable way to present the data she had meticulously collected. This was called the Rose or Coxcomb diagram. Using these diagrams, Florence was able to visually present her analysis and insights that the vast majority of deaths in the Army from April 1855 to March 1856 were caused not by battle wounds or other causes, but by preventable or mitigable zymotic diseases. In other words, from infections that could have been prevented or reduced. Talk about gleaning insights from meaningful data analytics. Not only that, her analytical and data visualization work paved the way for better and cleaner hospitals and the establishment of a new Army statistics department to improve healthcare. Nightingale used data, information, knowledge, and wisdom in nursing to bring about solutions, improvements, and far-reaching change. This was truly reformative and pioneering nursing informatics in action.